As they say in life, no good deed goes unpunished. But legally speaking, when buying or selling a property, a good deed is critical. When buying or selling a property, a bad deed can cause a lot of headaches and cost a lot of money down the road. So today we're going to look at the different types of deeds in Virginia, what they convey, and common issues associated with deeds when buying or selling a property, and how you can avoid them. I'm Zachary World, the principal attorney of Blue Ridge Law. And before we start, please be sure to like, subscribe, and click that little notification bell so you never miss an important update. So, what is a deed? A deed is a legal document that transfers title to a property from the grantor to the grantee. There are various specific legal requirements for a valid deed, but we're going to leave out the minutia because that's why you need to hire an attorney. A deed is more than just a piece of paper that says A gives property X to B. Deeds almost always come with covenants, aka promises, made by the grantor to the grantee. At common law, there are what are known as the 6 English covenants of title. The covenant of seisin assures that the grantor actually owns the property. The covenant of the right to convey promises that the grantor has the right to convey the property. Covenant against encumbrances, which says that there are no other encumbrances such as liens, mortgages, or easements on the property other than those contained in the deed. The covenant of quiet enjoyment doesn't mean that you get to enjoy peace and quiet on your property, but rather it means that you will not be disturbed in your ownership by the grantor or other third-party claims. The covenant of warranty is a promise by the grantor to defend the grantee's title against all lawful claims by third parties. The covenant of further assurances is a promise by the grantor to take all steps necessary to protect the grantee's title. Not all deeds include all 6 warranties. A general warranty deed does cover all 6 of these covenants. The general warranty deed is therefore the gold standard from the grantee's perspective because it promises that the grantor will protect the grantee's title against all claims by third parties, whether or not the grantor themselves created them. So if you have a general warranty deed as the grantee and somebody comes out of the woodwork to claim that they actually own the property, the grantor in a general warranty deed will protect and defend the grantee's title. A special warranty deed is a step down from the general warranty deed. It only includes the first 3 covenants of title, meaning the grantor only promises to fix problems with the title that the grantor themselves caused. So with a special warranty deed, if a problem with the title predates the grantor's ownership interest in the property, the grantor is off the hook, and it's the grantee's problem to fix. A quitclaim deed is a step below the special warranty deed. Basically, the grantor says, I'm not going to do anything or make any promises, and I give you whatever I've got, and if that's not good enough, that's your problem. From the grantee's perspective, the special warranty deed is the best, because the grantor is there to defend against all claims of title or other problems that might emerge. And from the perspective of the grantor, the quitclaim deed is the best, because the grantor is not promising that there are no problems and everything is up to the grantee to fix if there are. In Virginia, you can also do what's known as a gift deed. A gift deed is a deed without consideration, an expensive legal word for payment, and a gift deed under Virginia code is exempted from taxation. Aside from the type of deed that you receive, it's important to make sure that the deed actually gives you the form of ownership that you wish to have. This is especially important when multiple people are buying the property together. As discussed in other videos, there are multiple forms of co-ownership. The 3 big ones are tenants in common, joint tenants with right of survivorship, and tenants by the entireties. Tenants in common individually own a divided interest in the property as a whole. Joint tenants with rights of survivorship together own an undivided whole in the property. And with rights of survivorship, if one of the joint tenants dies, the other joint tenants assume that ownership. And tenants by the entireties in Virginia is a special form of joint tenancy that is only for married couples. It survives only while the marriage is intact and protects the property against claims by creditors by one of the spouses. Your deed specifies what type of co-ownership you take the property as. A common scenario where this is important is where 2 unmarried people buy a property together and then subsequently get married. After getting married, the married couple is going to want to hold that property as tenants by the entireties as opposed to tenants in common. This is an easy fix in Virginia, as the married couple needs to just simply convey a gift deed to themselves now as married couples, which ensures that they are tenants by the entireties. This is an easy fix. In fact, I just did a deed yesterday for a married couple who now wanted to own their property as tenants by the entireties. But even though this sounds easy enough to do on your own, you should always hire an attorney to draft the deed for you and to make sure that it's legally binding and enforceable. So to review, a deed is a legal document that transfers title from a grantor to the grantee for a property. The deed will come with different types of covenants depending on whether it's a general warranty deed, a special warranty deed, or a quitclaim deed. When there are multiple grantees, the deed will specify what form of co-ownership the grantees hold title to the property as. As always, nothing in this video is actual legal advice. It's critical that when buying or selling a property, you have a lawyer draft and review any documents, including the deed, to make sure it does what you want it to do and that you don't get yourself in any trouble. That's why I'm giving everybody in my audience a free consultation regarding the deed to their house. To take advantage of this, all you need to do is sign up at the link below and use the promo code GOODDEED. As always, if you like the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the little notification bell so you never miss an important update. I'm Zachary Worrell of Blue Ridge Law. Thanks for watching.